and, well, turns out what I've been working on is actually pretty cool. And we're going to play around with it. We're going to play around with it a little bit. Let me quickly double check. Am I live? I look like I'm live. And I guess the real proof to see whether what I've been working on works is, let's see, going over to here. Right. So as you can see in the left-hand side above me, there's just a giant white thing because I did not put in the YouTube URL because we're going to get rid of that soon. In fact, that's the first thing we're going to do is get rid of that. What I have here is I have my GameMaker project with my YouTube controller that's doing most of the heavy lifting. It was a mess. I needed OAuth stuff, I needed tokens, I needed lots of back and forths. My asynchronous events of just handling all my HTTP requests are massive. If I run this, it should work. Ta-da! Buffering. Wow, there we go. And I don't think that buffering should be very long. Now, actually, I think I messed, here, I have to go to my full cam because I believe my tokens are being leaked inside the, console. I believe am I leaking those out somewhere? Because I'm going to need to, I mean, you might not see it, but eventually you're going to take a look at this. I'm going to do a lot inside here. It doesn't, I'm going to take a double look because I do not want these tokens. Okay, it looks like it's all text. That's an error message. That's undefined. That's another error message. Requesting token. Yeah, it's all strings. It's all strings. We're all good. We are all good. If I read this, I am the Dark Order. Okay, right. So, right now we are just doing... Right now, I am just going to cut this out, because that's in my YouTube controller. What I want to do is I want to send you to my chat viewer. And then I can just play in my chat viewer and see what's going on. And then here we go, my chat viewer is loaded right there. There's everything. Looks like my font isn't loading W's very well. And just ignore this part. That part's gonna go away eventually. If you're reading this and you're reading, okay, it works pretty well, doesn't it? Right. So now for the layout. I think what I want is here's my stream, right? I want my camera here. I want something down at the bottom here, and then I want the chat like here. And that way I've got like all of this space here for like what I'm actually doing. And I won't be like getting rid of, I won't be using too much space here, but I'll have plenty of space for the chat, and plenty of space for some fun stuff down here if we ever decide to do that. Just joined, why am I coding this? I'm coding this because I thought it's fun. Most of the times I just do things because it's fun. And yeah, if it's fun, if it works, it works. And I mean, we have, what am I coding? I am coding, okay, I was coding a chatbot, but it looks like it just wanted to go undefined on me. And it seems to be buffering again. Oh, this might be an issue with my internet because you guys are buffering, but yeah, you're buffering again. Okay, it seems like every time you buffer, my chat goes down. So that means it's probably there's probably an issue with my internet, which I've tried. What am I coding? I'm coding a chat. I'm literally coding a chat, so I can do fancy effects with it, that we can eventually get commands in it. And I think I'm not handling undefined very well. I'm not handling the undefined very well. But I know sometimes, you know what, we will just, if it's undefined, we're just gonna ignore it. I'll just do if result map equals undefined. We're gonna ignore this. So don't do anything basically, see if that works, that should work. Yeah, there we go. Whee! Am I gonna handle emojis? Well, looking at that, I don't think so. But I'm not exactly sure how to unhandle emojis, like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to handle emojis? I don't know. We can do, how do I want to do this? And I mean, it's just kind of like that. I need to set a width for this. Let's set a width of, where's my YouTube viewer, chat viewer? Well, I don't think it crashed because, oh, actually, did it crash because of an emoji? Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why it crashed. And the great part about this is I can look at my chat on my main screen now. Let's see. Nope, it didn't crash because of an emoji. Emojis seem to be handling fine. Right, so I'm going to go over to my Streamlabs. Oops, well, that takes that away. And I am going to, are you seeing this move around? It's buffering again. It's buffering again. Oh, hey look, you can see it move around. What's 700 and, what's that, 770? I need to find out what's, 1080 minus 770 is 310. So actually, we can make this a little bit smaller. Actually, we can make you, what's 1080 minus 780 is 300. Yeah, so you can be 780. Can you, oh, it's not a bot. This isn't even a bot. Actually, let's do 1080 minus, I don't know, 700 is 380. So you can be 700. Is this right? 700 pixels. Perfect. Right there. Which means, is it over? Okay, it's buffering again. Oh, you know what's happening? Wow, it's buffering quite a lot. So what's happening is it's not like pulling it up, and it's overloaded. Yeah, it's crashing again. I don't know why you're crashing. Yeah, I know it's buffering a lot, which, oh man, that's awful. I'm not sure why. Why is it buffering so badly? Yeah, you crashed it. Good job. But that crashes because, you're undefined. DS list size line 156 there. Right here, line 156. Right there. Oh, do I have to double check you? Twitch always keeps you live, but YouTube keeps your spot. What's that supposed to mean? Oh man, it's buffering a lot. It's buffering a lot. Like a lot. Why? I'm gonna Google it. YouTube stream buffering a lot. Check your internet speed. Restart your router. Restart your computer. It's my internet connection. Yeah, it just keeps buffering. Hold on. I'm going to check my messages. Okay. Messages are okay. Because I remember my internet service provider sent me a message saying that they'll be upgrading and things are going to be messed up. But everything seems okay. That it's tomorrow night, not tonight. Yeah, it's doing a lot of buffer. It's doing a lot of the buffer. Lots of the buffer. What crashed it? Crashed it with undefined, expecting a number right here. I have no clue why it's buffering so much. Let's try this. Chat status error. Chat status error. Getting live ID. Ooh. Ooh. It's stuck getting the live ID. It's signed in properly. Logs requesting live chat ID response received. Oh, but I assume that response was undefined. And it didn't queue up another one. And it's still buffering. Wow. Let's stop you. Let's stop my unnecessary servers running in my background. Stop my synergy. Stop, hopefully. Nope, it's still buffering. Still buffering. It's still, oh my goodness, wow. What if, does that fix my buffering? Restart in safe mode with networking.